Hello everybody, welcome back to L&JShaveCrave. Today's video is a special one because we are doing an unboxing video. We got 3 awesome packages that just arrived today. So we're gonna go through them and hopefully you guys like what we have. To start off, we have the soap scoop?
Shave soap scoop for hard soaps. I don't know.
There you go.
It's something like that.
So it's a shave soap scooper to help scoop out your soap, put it in your bowl to get that lather going. And this is from Smilezformilez. So we're gonna head and crack that open. Rip it open.
I've learned this from all the other packages.
I was gonna use a knife, but ripping it is just much easier. So this is how it comes packaged. I love this box. It's so cute. Alright.
And I'll get the brother that goes to it.
Very cool. So, if some of you might recall, James actually has a matching brush that goes with this. So, this is it. Oh, I almost got it out of camera.
Whoa, that thing looks gnarly.
Wow, this is gonna be perfect for scooping. So this is it right here. And it actually matches perfectly with this brush. And they are both from Smilezformilez. Very cool. How much was this?
30 bucks.
$30 for the scooper. And it feels like it's heavy. It has some good weight to it. So I feel like it's great quality.
That's a hand-turned, what do you call that? Hand-turned?
Okay.
You use the lathe for that.
That one's cool. Next up, we got something from Phoenix Shaving and the atomizers.
Yes, flip it upside down. Probably easier because of that
Oh, okay.
label.
So, this is how it comes packaged. They love their packaging. It's so cool. Like this?
Yeah, because then you're not going through the label too. Now you're just going through the tape. After opening so many, I was like, I'm just going to go upside down. That'll probably help.
Some good tape on there.
Yeah.
Hopefully I don't break a nail.
Did you fix your other one?
No, I haven't.
No.
Alright. Here we go.
Okay.
We got one atomic atomizer. And these, the label says it fits the Phoenix Shaving 100 milliliter bottles. So this one's in like a light blue, and then we got one in black.
Yeah, that light blue one's for the new bottles, so you can show them.
Okay, this one is in black. They're pretty nicely packaged. They're really nice, actually. Oh, and we got another sample.
Ooh, what is it?
We got a sample of Strange Island, which I'm assuming is an aftershave, and it says coming soon.
Ooh.
I don't know how well you guys can see that.
Old bottle, new bottle. So that's how they explained it on the descriptions.
Oh, there's a difference?
When you open the tops, one has a reducer and the other one doesn't.
Oh. So this is the Fresco, which is one of their most recent scents. This is the new bottle. This one is the Atomic Aged Bay Rum, my least favorite smell. And this is part of their old bottle because of the caps, as James just explained. This one has, what do you call this again?
A reducer?
A reducer. This one does not. Should we throw one on?
You know I want to.
Yeah?
Alright, you get one, I'll get the other one.
I'm just gonna do it on camera. Who cares? What do we got to lose?
So yeah, that one belongs to that one.
So this is how it comes. And we just insert it to the center. Twist it on.
That one worked.
Okay, so this one doesn't fit this one then.
So then take this one. Oh, you can't because we have to wash them. Let me see that one. Try here. You got one right here. This one's already set.
I don't know. It's not twisting on.
Let me see.
Okay, so this is what it looks like once it is successfully screwed on. It has a little hole here. You squeeze this and you get some aftershave that sprays out, which I really like this look because it looks so vintage and it's pretty cool. This one actually looks good with this one. So anyways, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Strange Island sample that they sent us from Phoenix Shaving, because I love smelling new stuff. And I love that they send samples with their products. I think it's so cool. So I'm gonna put this on my hand. Oh wow. That smells pretty good. It has like a sweet smell. So it says the scents are bergamot or bergamot, sage, lavender, white musk, clary sage, copiaba balsam, a refreshing zing of camphorous lavender, musk, and herbaceous spice. Herbaceous. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. I want to like it so bad, but I don't know. Maybe it smells different after a good shave. Okay, so on to our next package. Last one. The one that James has been waiting for the most.
I think that might be everything in it, to be honest. I'm not sure.
Which is the Lancaster Razor Works. So let's see.
Lancaster Razor Works, right?
Yeah, Lancaster Razor Works.
Oh.
Let's see if it's as good as James claims.
Órale.
Well, I mean, you've been going nuts.
Yeah, I told you. This,
oh, yeah, it's so cool.
This thing sold out in less than 5.
What the hell? Oh.
What?
I don't know. They packaged it weird up here. Oh, it's just the way the box is. That's weird. I never seen a box like that. Okay. Here we
I'll
go.
hold it down here. And then you can pick things.
Okay.
Because I think it's kind of big for where you're at.
Alright.
What's that?
What's this? The bowl?
I don't know.
Did you order a bowl? Oh, it's only 2 things. Is it?
Come on, why is it pink?
It's not. It's wrapped in pink. It's wrapped in pink paper.
Okay.
Okay, so this is only half of the order then, huh?
Yeah, we still gotta get the towels.
Okay, so this is only half of the order.
Yes, okay, yeah, this is correct.
We're waiting on our face towels. Oh, this is very well wrapped. I should say.
Whoa, was that bigger than I expected?
Probably.
Ooh.
So it's wrapped in pink tissue paper.
That's what's up?
Okay, here we go. Bum, ba, ba, bum.
Ooh, medieval.
This is what you ordered?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's like medieval times,
That's
bro.
huge.
I didn't even know
That
it was
looks
gonna be
pretty
that
sick. Oh, I don't know if you can see in there. Let me see if I can fix the light. Here we go. You can kind of see the little bumps on the inside for your soap.
Is that like a rubber grip at the bottom?
It is. It is. And it does. It says Lancaster Razor Works. Have a great shave.
Geofact.
Geofat girl. Sorry, it's a joke between us. And okay.
I call this one the CSI.
The CSI? Oh God. Here we go. Holy moly, that says creepy. This is a brush.
Shave brush mug.
It has a tiny little like chip or something there. Shave brush mug. Look at that. That looks gory.
It goes on the inside too?
It's on the inside too.
Oh.
It looks like blood. Oh my gosh.
Allegedly, they said their fingerprints.
And it also has like a grip. It has a grip, but yeah, that's pretty cool actually. They go pretty well together. I mean, one's matte and one's glossy, but who cares?
Grab the brush.
Here we go.
See, it's
This brush.
yeah.
There we go. So this is how you would use it. Bloop.
Perfect.
Sits perfectly.
Yeah. Wow.
And then with the shave soap scooper, you would scoop your soap and then put it in here and then use your brush and boom, 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 get your lather going and then you're ready for a shave. These are some really cool products. Like this guy is an artisan.
Mm-hmm.
So he creates his own stuff, makes it himself.
He's out of Pennsylvania.
On Etsy.
Mm-hmm.
So, wow. I love supporting small businesses.
Yeah.
Which these two come from small businesses, from people who work out of their home, do their stuff. And that's it. That's the end of our mail call for today. We got some awesome stuff. We got our atomizers. We got a shave bowl. The scooper. So we are still waiting on a few more things from Lancaster Razor Works. We're waiting for the towels. Is that it? Yeah, huh? Just
I
the
think
towels?
so, yeah. The 2 towels.
Just the 2 towels. I'm excited to see those because they're made out of sheep wool.
Sheep. I don't know if it's wool or... I know it's sheep. Comes from a sheep.
I think it's the sheep wool. So we'll see how those turn out. Hopefully they're like really soft and they work well for drying. And it's not linty because I hate linty towels. Then again, who doesn't, right? But anyways, thank you guys for joining us again, for our mail call. We might be doing some more of these videos. Who knows? They're kind of fun. I love opening packages. It's like Christmas. You know, Christmas in the summer.
Yeah, definitely.
But anyways, thank you for joining us, and we will see you guys soon.
Wait!
Oh, what?
Please like and subscribe.
Oh. Obviously, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Bye.
This is the L&JShaveCrave. Y'all know who that is. Peace out.
Peace out.